Hello friends, welcome to your chapter 6 of Bootstrap. So, in this lesson we learn many things. So for doing first three things, we have to type here 3 times h1 tag. So, see, here I typed 3 times h1 tag. And now see, all these h1 tags are no same. See, in the first h1 tag, I typed hello friends, this is lowercase, but here all letters are capital, and here I typed HTML means hello friends, this is uppercase, here comes E. Hello friends, this is uppercase, here all letters are small, and here in the third one, here is hello friends, this is capitalized. So now, what we done with this three h1 tag? Here I typed all letters capital, but I want to make all these letters small. So we use a class and it will be text lowercase. So and here I want to make all letters capital. So I will use a class here, and here in the third one I want to make the words first letter capital, not all or not small. I want the words first letter. Here in the friends I typed first letter capital, not in all words. So for doing these things we have to type a class. We learned these things in CSS also, but here we have to type a little coding and it will be done. So here I type text lowercase, and in the second h1 tag we have to type here class, then text, then uppercase, and then in the third one we have to type class, then text, then capitalize. So the spelling is CAPITALIZD. Now see how it is. Let's open it with Google. So see, here's 3 lines. Now in the first line all letters are small, in the second line all letters are capital, in the third line the first letter of the words are capital C, but in the coding C, in the first line I make all letters capital, but here all letters are small, and in the second line I typed all letters small, but here all letters are capital, and in the third line I typed the word's first letter small, but in the friends I typed capital, not in all. But see here, all letters are capital. That's because of text lowercase, text uppercase, and text capitalized class. So now let's learn more things. Here I will give one color, also BG, then warning. Now see how it is. Let's make this text in center. So type here text, then center. Sorry. Now, like in HTML we use H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tag, H6 tag, but in Bootstrap we use some classes for making our text very big, very small. So there are 4 classes, and that are display 1, display 2, display 3, display 4. Let me show you. Here I type p tag, and the text of p tag is not very small, is not very small or not very big. Now see, if I type here hello, this is display dash 1, and now the class of this p tag is display dash 1. Now see how it is. The text of the first p tag is very big, but if we type here simple p tag, means if there will be no class, then the output you will see will look like this. I will copy this text and I will paste it here. Now see, this text is very small because this is of a simple p tag, but here see, this text have the class of display1, that's why it is very big. So let's copy this one, this p, 3 more times, then we will see how it will be. Now in the second p tag I will type display2, in the third p tag I will type display3, and in the fourth p tag I will type display4. Now see, here I type display, let's change the text also. In the second p I will type display2, then display3, then display4. Now see, this is display1 and see how big it is. And this is the simple h1 tag, and this is the h1 tag of, this is not a tag, this is a class, and this is of Bootstrap, this is of HTML. So this is display1, display2, display3, display4. And now if we want to make our text background black, then we can use kbd tag also. We learned this tag in HTML. So now see, I will type here in h1 tag, hello, this is chapter 6 of Bootstrap, and then here I want to display a emoji. So there is a shortcut key for displaying emoji keyboard. You can use this, and this is very useful key for displaying emojis. You have to press Windows plus key button, means Windows plus colon button, where there will be two dots. So you have to press this both button, and here will be all emojis. See, so firstly here I will type kbd, and then inside kbd I will type Windows plus colon key. Now here is all keys. So I want this smile, this smile, and this smile here. Now see, here's a black background, and this is of kbd tag. So in HTML there will be no black background, but in Bootstrap the background of the text which is in kbd tag will be, means the text of kbd tag has the black background. And now let's learn that how can we make our images very beautiful using Bootstrap. So what we have to do is to firstly let's create one more div, and let's give a class container to it, and then inside this div I will type the coding of image, uh, and the image is in images folder, then there is one more image folder, and then there are images. So there are one bird's image, so here are many images. I will use 2.jpg. Now here is a parrot image. So I want to make this parrot's image border a little round, not so sharp. So we have to give a class here, class, and the class we have to give is rounded. Now see, it is a little rounded. See here, it is not so sharp. It is a little rounded. See, this is the image. So you can use rounded class like this. Now let's type one more image coding here. And now this time I want the circle image, means not a little rounded. I want circle image. So here is one image that is bee trees. Bee trees means beautiful trees here. And now we have to change the class into rounded circle. Now see. Firstly, let's make the image size smaller. And we have to also decrease the size of image, and the size I am giving is 200 pixel. Now let's see how it is. See how beautiful it is. Now let's make a border of one image. We don't have to type many things that I want 5 pixel border, I want 10 pixel border, I want black border. We have to only type here image, means img, then dash, then thumbnail. Now see, this image has a border. Now let's see one more thing. If we want image in center, then we have to type here mx, then dash, then auto, means auto, auto, then dash, then we have to type d. Do not type dash after auto, give a space here, then type here d, then dash, then block. Now see, our image is in center. So friends, see how many things we learned today and how beautiful it is. So friends, our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.